Hello, this is Mike Barnes with MobileReadyTeam.com, and welcome to today's strategy session on list building. We're going to be talking about creating forms and using capture forms, but we're going to be talking specifically about one of the most unused ways, and probably one of the coolest and simplest, and I'll tell you what that is in just a minute. But first, with Zillergy, we have one very unique way to capture opt-ins, and that's with the text message marketing campaign. And the other is email marketing. And what I'm going to show you in this short video is how to use both of these to capture telephone numbers and, of course, to capture email marketing. Now, with the proper tools, you can create dozens of ways to get people to opt into your list. One of the most popular lists is the newsletter list. And you can also use squeeze pages to capture names and emails. You can do giveaways like text to win. You can use mobile coupons to get people to opt in. And you can also have people text for your business card or for your contact info. The one we're going to really concentrate on today is the newsletter. But we're also going to talk a little bit about getting people to opt in using text message, SMS as well. One of the most popular, you see these on almost all websites. Here's one on our Mobile Ready team, is join our newsletter. Now this works very effectively if you give people what I call a shameless bribe, like you give them a free report or give them something for opting into your list. I also have a newsletter page on here as well, so I can send people directly to that newsletter page, and there it is. It's on our website. And then there's a big long URL with that, it's at the top of the page. So if you post something like this to Twitter to have them drive people to your newsletter, that takes up a lot of space in a tweet because you only have 160 characters. Well, I'm going to explain to you also how to shorten that URL in just a minute as well. But here's the one we're going to talk about today, which is join our newsletter, but we're going to do it from the Facebook page. So you really don't even have to have a blog. You don't even have to have a website to do this. You can do this from your Facebook page. Now keep in mind, this is not your personal page. This is a business page. And when people click that join our newsletter, it goes to a special page that we've created on Facebook where people can join directly from there. Pretty cool strategy, especially if you don't have a blog or a website. So there's that big long URL, and let's say we want to use that in our tweet or post it somewhere. Well, I want to shorten that so it doesn't take up all that character space, especially on Twitter. So if you go to bit.ly, bitly.com, you can sign in with Facebook or you can sign in with Twitter, or if you don't care for either of those, you can just create your own Bitly account below that. And what you're going to simply do is paste that big long URL where it says paste link here, and it will shorten it, and you can even customize it, which is what I've done. So there it is. I have the Bitly and then MRT for Mobile Ready Team newsletter, so people know exactly what it is. If it's just a random URL, people are a little bit more hesitant to click it. At least this way you can tell them exactly what it is. So two steps here. First, you want to create a Facebook page. Now, there's two ways of doing this. If you do not have Zillergy, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to facebook.com pages. If you do have Zillergy, you are going to use Zillergy tools to do it on the main dashboard. So facebook.com pages, right now they have it at the top right. It says create your own page and just follow the steps. It's a little bit more I wouldn't say complicated, but there's more to it this way. A Zillergy owner will be able to go into their Zillergy back office, locate fan page creator, and click on create fan page and just walk through the steps. It's very simple. It's I believe 4 steps, and you can create your page and look like a pro and make sure that it doesn't miss any steps. So there's 2 list building techniques: email marketing and text message marketing, as I explained earlier. So let's start with number 1, which is email marketing. Go into your Zillergy tools and create your fan page first, step 1, of course. And when you click create fan page, here's the steps, 4 steps. Just start, Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, Step 4. It explains in a video tutorial every step of the way what to do. And then you want to create your opt-in form. So what you're going to do, again, in the Zillergy back office in your main dashboard, you're going to locate Contact Manager, and then there's Advanced Emailing. Locate Advanced Emailing and give that a click. Now you have to log in, and it's going to give you right on the right where I highlighted that big circle. You're going to have a unique at zillergytools.com email, and then you're going to use the same password that you'd log into the back office here anyway. So just that unique email, and then use your same password and log in. And step 1, click Contact Lists at the top. Step 2, click the little blue box that says Create a Contact List. And once you've created your contact list, you can go in and click the title, click that blue title, Mobile Ready Marketing Newsletter in this case, and it's going to give you a different menu on the left. First thing is, before you create your capture form, manage your list structure. I would recommend going in there and deleting everyone that's there and then creating from scratch so you have first name, last name, all typed out correctly. Then once you do that, once you create your capture information, then go down to Manage Forms, and you're going to click Facebook Sign Up Form, but you're going to click Instructions. Let me back up a screen. I might have gone a little quick there. There's grab HTML code, and then there's instructions. Well, if you're not familiar with how to add a page to your Facebook page, then click Instructions. And it's 4 steps. Step 1 of 4 is going to, of course, they're going to tell you to create your Facebook page. You can skip that if you've already created your Facebook page. But when you walk through the steps, what it's going to give you is a Facebook HTML. And it allows you to copy and paste that code directly into this page. And what it's going to give you is a box that says join our newsletter. Now I uploaded my own image. Once you get in here, you'll figure out where you can upload your own image. Just a tip here, that image is 300 pixels wide by 200 pixels tall, and then you can create your own image and put it in there. Otherwise it'll be a big star. You'll see what I mean once you do it. And there's your, once people click it, there it is. Now I've used a little bit of HTML on mine, and I edited mine, but that's what it looks like when it's finished. So if you don't know HTML skills, there it is. It's done for you. Just copy and paste that code directly in there. If you want to edit it, go ahead and edit it like I've done, and you'll have a real nice landing page either way to capture emails. Second one is text message marketing. Same idea here. Log into your SMS dashboard, and on the right you're going to see create an opt-in page, and you're going to choose Facebook at the top. You're going to choose Facebook at the top. You're going to select a keyword so people opt in to a specific category, specific group that you want. And once you check the boxes, just put in the text you want, check the capture like first name, last name, and then click Generate Code and Preview, and there's the preview on the top right, and there's the code on the left. Same idea. Just grab that code, and you're going to paste it in the HTML editor on your Facebook page, and it's simple. Then just click Save on the right, and you will have your page. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create now autoresponders to these newsletters. So create a newsletter. Go to Create a Campaign in your Zillergy main back office, and once you create a campaign, you can do a regular campaign which just emails people like a regular newsletter. You just can email everybody, or you can even create autoresponders. So whenever anybody signs up for one of those newsletters, they get autoresponder 1, autoresponder 2, 3, 4, all in succession depending on when they signed up for your newsletter. And just doing it this way, in August I had 56 opt-ins. And then you can, this is on your text message by the way, and then if you want to text people, just go up and text people that opted in, and you're on your way. You're building your list. Now here's the Zillergy dashboard. A lot of features in here. And here's the Zillergy back office, the main back office. Again, a ton of features in here for internet marketing. And once you get this down, you're going to create all these different tools, and it's all built in Hootsuite. But once again, there's our join our newsletter. So there we are. That's list building, and specifically using Facebook to do it. And please, if you haven't already, join our newsletter. If you have any questions, there's a contact us button at the top of our website at mobilereadyteam.com. The newsletter button is right beside that. But that's strategy sessions for this week, and we hope you enjoyed it. And you can always text strategy to 71441 to be notified of our strategy sessions, and we'll also send you the replays like this one whenever we're finished with them.